Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you off your auto rotate screen in your Motorola phone device. As you want to off your auto rotate screen, so you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off auto rotate screen in our Motorola phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends how to off auto rotate screen. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to off this auto rotate screen. So you can see guys this rotate setting. Then guys scroll, then guys you can see your display setting. So guys we will click on display setting, and guys scroll, guys click on this advanced setting. As you can see your auto rotate screen, so guys we will off from this side. Then guys your auto rotate screen will off in your Motorola phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to off auto rotate, and guys when you will use any app, any video, so it will not rotate in your Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.